Tires are vital in keeping your vehicle performing safely and efficiently, but tire maintenance and repair can be easy to put off until the next paycheck. Ignoring low or unbalanced tires can lead to unnecessary wear and cost down the road. Tires with the proper amount of tread allow water and snow to pass through and keep your vehicle safely grounded as you drive and brake. Our service technicians are factory trained in safely caring for, repairing, and installing all types of tires. Don't forget to ask us about any current sales or rebates, because giving you a great deal makes our day as much as yours. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.